The following question is about photosynthesis, and the question is which is not true about the process of photosynthesis. So let me first define what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make glucose using carbon dioxide and water, and they absorb sunlight in the process. So chlorophyll is important. Chlorophyll in leaves help to absorb sunlight. So the reaction that happens is that CO2 molecules and water molecules react together. The chlorophyll in plants absorbs sunlight, so sunlight must be present. And as a result, glucose is formed, which is C6H12O6. So this is your glucose molecule, and oxygen gas is given off. Now to balance this equation, there would be 6 water molecules and 6 carbon dioxide molecules and 6 oxygen molecules. Now you can count everything. Everything is now balanced. So the first thing is that they're saying carbon dioxide and water react in a 1:1 molar ratio. If you look over here, carbon dioxide and water are reacting in a 1:1 molar ratio. So this statement is actually correct. We are basically interested in the statement which is not correct or not true. The second one is glucose is produced and can be used as a source of energy. So glucose is used as a source of energy. For example, humans eat glucose to produce energy. This glucose is used as fuels in cars as well. So it is being so this statement option B is also correct. It's not correct. It's not incorrect. This option C is also correct. Oxygen is produced. As you can see, oxygen is being produced. And the third statement, D, is that the reaction is exothermic. Now, if you look over here, this process absorbs sunlight. So sunlight is being absorbed. When energy is being absorbed in the form of sunlight, that process is endothermic, and it's not exothermic. So it is an endothermic process. So this statement over here is the incorrect statement. Hence, option D is going to be your correct option for this question.